Hi people, today I'm in Blackpool and I'm staying at the Lee Papillon on Palatine Road. So I've got booked a single room. So let's take a look, shall we? So as you can see, bed there. Yeah, pillows look clean. Yeah. Let's have a look at the bed, shall we? Mattress protector. Yeah, and clean. Clean mattress as well. Yeah, big side lamp there. Bedside table, drawers. Double plug socket there. And a coat hook there. All about keys and security. And room checklist as well. And another set of drawers here. There we go. All empty. Mirror. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. You've got a shower switch. Right, so we've got a bin there, radiator there, window that opens and blinds, TV, towel on the bed, TV remote on the bed. Let's check, shall we? Which one? That one. Oh, that's for the fan. It's for the fan. Right, let's see. Just no light there, so I don't know if there's an on-off switch at all. Just trying to, no, don't seem to be. Right, well, I'll have a look at that in a minute. A bit dusty. And chair there. Got a fridge here. Basically, as well, he did say if you wanted to take a pint of milk out of the fridge downstairs, can do. So got some water, a cup, tea, coffee, sugars, sweeteners. And you got your kettle. So let's see if it's clean. Yeah, I like the wallpaper. And there's your coat hangers as well. And then drawers here. Hairdryer there. And a cupboard. Carpet's clean as well. And then let's have a look at the bathroom, shall we? Look right. Right, so we've never seen one of them shower heads. That looks quite clean. Yeah, hair, body and conditioner. And also shower. And then the shower tray. And it's very clean in here. Let's have a look at the toilet, shall we? Yeah, clean. And the toilet roll there. And your bin. And your soap there. Shower light there. Yeah, works. And shower. A shaver's plug, should I say? Not shower light. Shaver light. And mirror there. So yeah, it's quite clean actually. So they do advise no hot food in the rooms, but there is a table in the seating area that you can eat hot food in, so it's not that you can't have hot food here, it's just not in the rooms. So, but yeah, let me know what you think. I think this is quite good room for, I think it was £36 for Saturday night, and it's the USA fireworks tonight as well, competition. There's you see I've got a view of Blackpool Tower as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think for 30 quid for a Saturday night in here. Even, let's have a look under the bed. Even under the bed's clean. Look, you can see it's clean. That's what I mean. But yeah, so let me know what you think. You think it's a good price for what I've paid? Right, I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. TV does work. Just had to change the plugs over. That's all. But yeah.